Have you ever seen some amazing DIY inventions? Well, if you haven't, you're at the right place. We're going to be showing you 8 of the best DIY inventions for 2021. Let's jump right into it. Number 8, watch videos with a box. Has anyone ever hogged up a TV? Well, just remember, if you have a phone or a tablet, this invention is for you. Grab a box and place your phone or even tablet on top of the box. Trace where the device is, cut the outline, and place the device back on. Tape the back of the device on the box to keep it where it's at, and you can stick your head into the box and watch it by yourself without any distractions. But just be careful, because it could damage your eyes if you're too close, so only do this for certain amounts of time. Number 7, charge your phone with 2 fruits. All you need to do is grab 2 lemons and place a quarter in the middle. Make sure they're close together, and you're going to want to grab your charger brick and stab it into the lemon. Hoping for the best, plug the USB into it and find out the moment of truth plugging your phone in. If it charges, you're good to go. Number 6, lazy trash bag. If you're lazy to the point where you don't want to walk all the way down the stairs, this invention is for you, but try not to be too lazy. Grab an aluminum tube and tape it onto the stairwell. Extend it to the very end of the stairs, and when you do need to throw something away, put it inside of the tube and it'll slide down into the trash bag. Now you can enjoy being lazy. Number 5, sleep while in a Zoom call. This one, we're all guilty of it, not being in the mood to be part of a Zoom call. All you have to do is get a sample webcam video of you looking at a screen and have it go on for a few minutes, and whenever you're done recording, upload it to your phone, and whenever you get bored of a Zoom call, put your phone on a tripod and play the video while it faces the webcam. Number 4, break your glasses? No problem. Serious question, if you've ever broken your glasses in an accident, well, this one's for you. Don't panic. Make sure you have a bendy straw laying around somewhere and grab it and tape it or hot glue the straw on. It can be used to hold your glasses onto your face. We know this isn't the greatest option, but if you're on a budget, this will do. Number 3, is the coffee table too dirty? If there is no hope of fixing the damage, then do what we do. All you have to do is cut the surface of the table. Place the LED inside of it and put translucent glass on top of the lights. Whenever you put anything down, it will light up. Number 2, a place to hold your cup. You don't have any room to place your cup? No problem. We know that this can be a bit of a tough situation when you're just trying to have fun and your room is a little bit messy. Just having nowhere to put it can be bad because you still have to focus on putting it on the floor, and then you risk spilling it, or you just have to focus on holding it still. So all you need to do is grab a book and place it in between your mattress and your bed frame. Make sure to leave it where you can still see the book, and make sure it's a flat surface, because now all you have to do is place your cup right there. This one is pretty easy. Number 1, a tea maker. If you have tea that does not come in a tea bag, all you need is a cup and some foil. First off, wrap a piece of foil around the top of the cup and make a little circular indent inside of it. Then use a dowel or a toothpick to poke some holes into it and place your tea leaves into the compartment. Now, all you have to do is pour some boiling water into it, squeeze it all out, and you have your tea. But anyways guys, that's all we have for you on Ready Set Viral. If you enjoyed it, hit the like and subscribe button, as well as turning your post notifications on so you never miss out on a future video from us. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because you'll love them just as much as this one. And we'll see you guys next time.